guys! Today we're understanding der, die, das. What are der, die, das? In German, every noun has a gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. These articles mean the in English, der, masculine, die, feminine, das, neuter. Der, masculine. For example, der Mann, the man. Der Hund, the dog. Der Tisch, the table. Tip: most male people or animals are der. Die, feminine. Examples: die Frau, the woman, die Katze, the cat, die Lampe, the lamp. Tip: most female people and words ending in ERD. Das, neuter. Examples: das Kind, the child, das Haus, the house, das Auto, the car. Tip: words starting with JK and ending in chen or line are often das. Mini quiz: which article is correct? Apfel. Der Apfel. Blume. Die Blume. Buch. Das Buch. Stuhl. Der Stuhl. Maus. Die Maus. Summary: der, masculine, die, feminine, das, neuter. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please hit subscribe. Bye!